Speaker sir, I stand by to oppose the demand and support my cut motions. I would be speaking on all the demands. To start with, I'll be starting with demand number 34 and 35. Speaker sir, primary education and higher education. Speaker sir, education is the key backbone of any economy that we all know, Speaker sir. It is very difficult to start a new process, something as NEP, and yes, we are all going to this process. And our Honorable Chief Minister is the one who is now going to struggle to ensure that the NEP is implemented. But in this race of being the first state to implement NEP, we should not miss and not follow the guidelines. कित्याक आम जोरी तरी ह्यो guidelines follow कोण जोरी तरी सारकें केलें, स्लो केलें जाल्यार slow and steady wins the race, Speaker sir. आज Speaker sir, आमगेल्यो government primary schools जे आहाय, they are shutting down. Why they are shutting down? More than 300 schools have shut down. कित्याक infrastructure आमी तो build up करूं ना, time to time आमी पयशे घालूं नाय, capital investment करूं ना. So आज हे government primary schools बंद पडटाय, भुरगीं थिंग वचपाक सोदनाय आनी parents आपल्यागे भुरग्यांक दुसरे कोणी private स्कुलांनी धाडटाय. So आज जी परिस्थिती government primary schools जाल्या, that could have been avoided if the previous chief ministers of the state had invested the money 10 years back. So today we have an opportunity to do the same with all our aided schools which are there. आज जोरी तरी आमी aided schools गेलो infrastructure पयशे घालून सांबाळाय जाल्यार प्रायमरी स्कूल्स कितकोन बंद पडटाय आतां. सो तेच भाशेन 10 वर्सां आजसून ही aided schools बंद पडली. And 10 years from today, we will say that the 2024 Chief Minister of Goa failed to invest in these schools, and that is the reason those schools have shut down. Speaker sir, financial aid, जो grant हा या इस्कलांक, ओ grant पावना, ओ grant तोडा हा, कोणा 50 मेळटाय, कोणा 70 मेळटाय, कोणा 1 लाख मेळटाय, हेजेर NEP guidelines प्रमाणे जो infrastructure बांदपाचो तो हेजेर जावपा ना. We all know this. So let us totally discuss with everybody and let us try to give a one-time grant. Maybe we can stagger it, एक one-time grant सगळे aided स्कुलांक, सगळे इस्कलांनी ताकी ते आपल्यागेले जे infrastructure हा तो वाडोवपाक. Speaker sir, scholarships to the students to be promoted. भरपूर scholarships ज्यो आहाय तो कोणा खबर ना. आणि scholarships म्हळ्यार त्यो 500 रुपये बी आसल्या scholarships घेवन फायदो ना. We need to reconsider, create better scholarships and try to make them implemented in all the schools. बालरथ बसीस Speaker sir, सगळ्यांनी सांगलो हा 13-14 वर्सां ह्यो बसो. ओवरऑल होलिस्टिकली सगळ्यो बस्यो म्हाका सदां स्क्रॅप करपाची गरज आहा. गेट इन अ न्यू फ्लीट ऑफ बसीस. हांवें गेले त्या वर्साकूय डिमांड केल्लें, रिक्वेस्ट केल्लें की आमगेलें कार्मोना सेक्रेड हार्ट ऑफ जिजस हाय स्कुलाक एक बालरथ बसीचो आमी डिमांड घायल्लो आहा. तो आजून मेळना, ओरोस जालें. ते स्कुला लागून आमी जायते फंडूय आतां रेडी कोताय थ्रू MLA फंड, which I would want the honorable CM to clear my file so that ती हे वर्सा फायनान्शियल इयरा काम चालू जावपाक. Speaker sir, special fund to buy equipment and give grants to teachers of the schools for special children in Goa. जे टीचर आहाय तांकां अपग्रेड करपाक तांकां फंड दिवपाचो, equipment हे स्पेशल भुरग्यांक लागून. We need to think advancedly what kind of artificial intelligence is being used to in order to engage the special children, Speaker sir. म्हाका around 63 भुरगीं आहाय special children मुगे constituency, Speaker sir. We every day follow them and we try to engage with them on Children's Day as well as Down Syndrome Day, 21st March. So we are specially connected with these special children and we understand the difficulty that the parents are going through, Speaker sir. We have to put this system in place so that we all can help them and support them, Speaker sir. Speaker sir, teachers shortage आहा, NOC जाय. म्हाका सदां ह्यो NOC सगळ्यो क्लियर करपाचें एक मिशन घे, Speaker sir. ह्यो जरी तरी NOCs क्लियर केल्यो, ह्यो टिचरींक गेल्यो शॉर्टेज जी आहा हो वॅक्यूम आतां बंद करपाची गरज आसा, Speaker sir. थोड्यो NOCs हांवें घायलो आहाय मुगे इस्कलान जी आहाय मुगे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी त्योय मागता, Speaker sir, त्यो NOCs क्लियर करपाक. Speaker sir, टीचर म्हणटाय ती आमकां सगळ्यांक शिकयता, तुकाय शिकयल्या, CMाकूय कोणाच्या टिचरीन शिकयला. आनी म्हाका सदां she or he is one person who plays a very important role in all of our lives. Speaker sir, आज हम assembly आहाय, we have the power to give them back something. I had requested for a TR designation title, TR for teachers. म्हाका सदां we could be the first state. हांवें 2-3 लेटर घायल्लो आहाय CM सरा कडेन. आज you could give अळकाळीज घेवन आज हे TR टायटल डिक्लेअर करपाचें गोंयच टिचरींग. आय थिंक इफ यू कॅन कम आउट विथ दॅट एश्युरन्स वूड बी अ बिग बूस्ट फॉर ऑल युअर टीचर्स who are going to struggle very hard now to promote and to ensure NEP is going to be successful. This could be a boost also for them. Internet in all the schools should be provided. The government should take the responsibility of providing with the fixed deadlines. Because sir, everybody has spoken NEP guidelines जे आहाय त्यो फॉलो करपा जायो. NEP implement करता जाल्यार लॅब सेटअप करपा जाय. ते सगळें करचे पयलें आमच्यान NEP कॉमेस करूं जायना. नाजाल्यार घायघायेन आमी हुंय पूण चुकतले आनी हॅप हॅझर्डली थिंग्स जातले. CM सरान एश्युरन्स दिल्ली आहा लॅब इज इन प्रोसेस. ती लॅब चालू जाच्यो आनी टिचर्स अँड द चिल्ड्रन शूड गो देर, गेट देम सेल्फ ट्रेन्ड अँड देन वी शूड गेट द NEP implemented in the right fashions. Because the doubts that are there in the minds of the parents with related to R1, R2, R3, the languages, your doubts clear जावपाक जाय. Because message has to go very clear to everybody. Because centralized admission system for all the colleges across Goa. हे करपाक गरज आहा. It is not difficult. So our IT department हे मोतींग घेवपा जाय आनी एक centralized admission system. So सगळे कॉलेजी गेले एक वेबसायटीचेर आमी सगळ्यांक हाडपाक हे करपाक जाय. Because failure to regularize the services of non-teaching staff who have put in service for more than 5 years, 5 वर्सांनी सुबेज जे कोण नॉन टिचींग स्टाफान घायलो आहा तेजी ऑलरेडी एक ऑर्डर आहा. स्पीकर सर ती इम्प्लिमेंट एक्झिक्यूट करपा जाय. स्पीकर सर हेंक सगळ्यांक आमी परमनंट करपा जाय, रेग्युलरायज करपा जाय. स्पीकर सर digitalization in administrative and learning process. Because we are in the world of digitalization. Digitalization in administrative process, the meaning is basically lack of human interference. Where there is a person doing things, make it digitalized. Let's get things organized. And in the learning process also, ye korpachi goroz ah, fund galpachi goroz ah. Speaker sir, I will go to the next demand number 36, technical education. Speaker sir, basically overall in all these education matters, all the various types of education demands, failure to provide upgraded tools and gadgets to all these technical education. Ami invest करू जाय and find out करू जाय, research करू जाय कि what are the other universities and colleges doing all over the world. Are we in par with them? I think that is what we have to do, and we have to invest. Implementation of the various schemes has to be promoted in a more bigger manner. CM cares, yes, it is a good initiative. They are doing well. But now since they are doing well, Tengele demands widely. And now we have to cope up with the demands in order to keep up to the industry standards. So fund again is an issue here. So when we are asking for funds for Goa State Speaker sir, that time I think we need to keep into mind that these CMKs, coding and robotics programs are getting sufficient fund, because this will be the backbone of our education system in the 10 years, 15 years to come. Speaker sir. Engineering college, demand number 40, I think the campus need to be safeguarded. Anti-social elements. I last time inga ek wording काढले. Weed is the need of the hour म्हणून. So weed is the need of the hour हे कित्याक म्हणले? हे कॉलेजी कॅम्पसांनी आज हे जायते चलता स्पीकर सर. We need to ensure and to safeguard these college campuses स्पीकर सर. Academic curriculum जे आहा ते स्पीकर सर तेजी reforms जे आहे, that has to be upgraded. We need to have better reforms into this curriculum स्पीकर सर. Affordable fee already आमगे आमदार उलयला. लोकां कडेन आतां ह्यो high fees manage करपा जायना. I think we have to find a solution where we can make education not only affordable, we should go one step ahead and make education free for all. जो कोणाच्यान शिको जाता, eligible आहा, marks आहा, पैशा लागून तो शिकनाचो उरो आशिल्पणा. तुगे भुरग्याक जोरी तरी marks आहाय, ताका इंजिनियरिंगा एडमिशन मेळपा जाय पर्सेंटेजीचेर. फीजा लागून तो हाडपणो आशिल्पणा. Speaker sir, museum, demand number 46. I heard in the budget, CM has said that there is going to be a fund that is been given. मुको 3 म्युजियम आहे, ऑलरेडी सांगलो हा. थोडे पयशे एपाट दियाय स्पीकर सर. म्हाका पयली दियाय चॅक. हांव तुका वतलो इनॉग्रेट करपाक तो चॅक दिवपाक 3 म्युजियमाक. दुसरे
कोण दिला म्हणून सांगशी, सरकारान दिला म्हणून सांग.
बरें सरकारान दिला, तुगेल्या नांवान सांगता हांव. तुका वता आनी तूंच हातीन दी, पूण कोंतान दी. होय. Second, Speaker sir, I think a good thing is, let's portray these museums in our tourism website. आणि आमगे जी ही हॉप ऑन हॉप ऑफ GTDC बसीज आहे तेमगे स्केड्युलार घालाय आमगे म्युजियम. तो ह्यो हॉप ऑन हॉप ऑफ बसीज ज्यो सावता भोंवतल्यो तेंक सावता हाडाय, वार्क आमगे म्युजियम दाखोयाय, आमगे बाणाल हाडाय, बाणाल म्युजियम दाखोय. सो मेक देम पार्ट ऑफ tourism, Speaker sir, so that we can promote all our museums, Speaker sir. State Election Commission, Speaker sir, very important. If CM can take interest into this, I will personally help to get the things organized. Carpenter, Christian Mesta म्हणा हो टॉपिक ऑलरेडी उलयलो आहा. मंडल कमिशनागे रिपोर्ट आहा. मंडल कमिशनागे रिपोर्टाचेर पेज 68, पॅरा 12.12 गुगल केलें जाल्यार स्क्रिनीचेर येता. पॅरा 12.12 तेमी क्लियरली आयडेंटिफाय केलो आहा. हाव and what is the background of various communities and professions. We should take this to our advantage in order to include our Christian carpenters, je mesta, into the state OBC list. Goa State Commission for Backward Classes je hai, temi ye recommendation state a diupa jaye. Let us work together. As colleagues, let us work together with the Goa State Commission for Backward Class in order to make them understand, give them the required documentation so that they can give the state recommendation to put Christian Mesta into the state OBC list. Speaker sir. Speaker sir, Chief Minister's Fellowship Program, Speaker sir. म्हाका खबर ना हो चलता वो चलना पूण बाणाल्या म्हाका 2 वर्सां जालीं हितू हे फेलोशीप प्रोग्रामा आमगे कोण भुरगे हितू एंगेज जाले नाय. स्पीकर सर हो परत चालू करचो. स्पीकर सर, hiring young professionals for ₹30,000 per month. This is the Chief Minister's Fellowship Program. 11 to 12 months तांकां engage करपाक in administration, in political affairs matters. Going one step ahead, Speaker sir, हो चालू कर तुगे काळी जोडलें. You are one who will be noted in the history of Goa की तुवें MLA फंड चालू केल्लो 2.5 कोट्याचो. एक पुसा फायल पास जाल ना ती दुसरी गजाल, पूण फंड तुवें चालू केलो. तेच भाशेन इंट्रोड्यूस MLA फेलोशीप प्रोग्राम. स्पीकर सर, तुगे 30,000 दर म्हयन्याक, आमगे 20,000 दर म्हयन्याक, पूण MLA फेलोशीप प्रोग्राम चिंत आनी कोर आमकांय आमगे थोडे भुरग्यांक इनवॉल्व करूं मेळटले. दे वील गेट द पॉलिटिकल एक्सपिरियन्स अँड थ्रू दीस फेलोशीप प्रोग्राम. स्पीकर सर, you will be renowned to know that you are making the next political leaders ready. Speaker sir, the next generation of political leaders या fellowship programantlan तयार जातले. Speaker sir, and you will be named for doing that. Speaker sir. Speaker sir, 79 gazettes. Speaker sir, I think failure of publishing the gazette in official language, this has been told several times. Please do consider this and start publishing it in the official language. Speaker sir. Demand 80 legal met. Speaker sir, हांवें काली सांगलो हा, हेजे कन्सिडर कर. ₹100 टॅक्सी ड्रायव्हरांगेचो मिटर आहा, तो मिटर बीस गायलो आमू सगळ्यांक खबर आहा कोर्टान सांगलो म्हूण. तो ₹100 आसून ₹500 केला एन्युअल तेंगेले. सो मेक इट 150. मेक इट केलो
म्हणून ऑलरेडी सर्कुलर आहा म्हणून.
केलो कितू केलो?
कितले गेला रे ते? कितलो गेला रे? नाही तो मीटर कमी केला ते लिगल मेट्रोलॉजी.
डिजिटल मीटर फेअर जो आहा लिगल मेटाको वचोन पयलीं ₹100 जाल्ले 500 केल्लो.
लिगल मेट्रोलॉजी केला
परत कमी केलो. कितले केलो खबर आहा?
₹300 केला दिसता.
बरें, ₹300 केला. 500 सावन 300 केला. ओके, गुड. थँक्यू स्पीकर सर. 83 मायनिंग इज अ बिग टॉपिक. मायनिंग should be done in a transparent manner to support our economy. Transparency in e-auctioning is all that everybody is demanding for. You should try to understand what do we mean by transparency in e-auctioning. आमकोडे विचार आम कित सोदताय ट्रान्सपरन्सी. तू कोडे दिसता की तू ट्रान्सपरंट आहा, पूण आमकां दिसता ट्रान्सपरंट ना. सो डिस्कस कर, डायलॉग कर आणि अंडरस्टँड हाऊ टू गेट अ ट्रान्सपरंट मेथड इन प्लेस. बिकॉज सिव्हिल एविएशन, येस, दाबोली एअरपोर्टाचेर सगळे सांगत आहाय की सेंट्रल पयशे घालता म्हणचे दाबोली एअरपोर्ट बंद जावपाना. ना, हेज्या पयलीं सेंट्रलान पयशे दुसरे स्टेटीन घायलो आहे आणि एअरपोर्ट बंद जालो आहे. So that does not mean if central is putting the money means Daboli airport bond japana. No, Daboli airport should continue. But how can you continue without making provisions for all the operators of the airlines to ensure by giving them a good lucrative proposal? Because sir, my suggestion is invite all the airlines. Let's have a airline fair. सगळे एअरलायना आपोया, एक धाकटो इव्हेंट करूया, एक मिटींग करूया, एक फेअर करूया तेंचे बरा. अँड लेट अस अंडरस्टँड फ्रॉम द वेरियस एअरलायन्स. एक 100 जाणां इनवायट करूया गोंयांक, तेंगे MDंक इनवायट करूया. अँड लेट अस अंडरस्टँड वॉट दे वॉन्ट. तांकां कितें जाय, दाबोली येतले जाल्यार तेंगे फ्लायटो एज वेल एज मोपा आमकां येतले जाल्यार दोनी कोणी करूंक जाय जाल्यार. सो लेट अस अंडरस्टँड फ्रॉम देम, टेक द फीडबॅक फ्रॉम द इंडस्ट्री अँड लेट अस वर्क together with our civil aviation departments and let us work with the central union ministers to make sure that Daboli sustains. And this is the best formula, Speaker sir. Na jalar mukar kai japana, Speaker sir. Finally, to the end, I would end with demand number 88, PPP, that is public private partnership, Speaker sir. Speaker sir, public private partnership मुटाय तेजेर बाणाल्यांत कोणें कांय चोयल ना आनी आयकिल्ल ना स्पिकर. मुगे एक रिक्वेस्ट आहा, म्हाका हो डिमांड दी. पब्लीक प्रायवेट पार्टनरशिपान म्हाका एक केबल कार्ट करून दी. केबल कार्ट, इट इज अ टुरिजम अट्रॅक्शन, इट वील जनरेट रेवेन्यू फॉर द इयर्स टू कम. Orlims on cable cart, we have to take it to Mobor, from Mobor to Betul, from Betul to tugele Barade Hursakode. So this will go on top, tourist attraction.
तूच घेवन या मरे कोणाक तो.
म्हाका हाड म्हणपा लागलो
अरे PPP आनी कसो हाडटलो तर.
तुका हिंग ऑलरेडी आहा न्हू PPP, so you have to implement it. Otherwise you are saying that there is a failure in implementation of PPP.
घालपी तूं हाड रे PPP आमी.
ना घालपी सिंगापूर हांव तुका वता बरोबर या सिंगापूर आनी मागीर सिंगापूरसून तो कोण मेकर आहा ताका तेकिंग हाडया. So I am happy that Chief Minister has acknowledged. So I hope in the answers I get acknowledgement and assurances of my demands, Speaker sir. Thank you, Speaker sir.